iRobot stock dropped to a new low on the last trading day, March 22nd. And on this day, we detected an unusual trade worth $400,000. So in this video, we will analyze this unusual option activity to find out how wealthy investors are trading iRobot. Are they expecting the stock to bounce from this low, or are they shorting iRobot because they think this stock is going to crash? So without further ado, let's get to the data analysis as usual so that we can also trade in the same direction as these wealthy investors who are getting richer on Wall Street because they have more information than we do. As you can see, at the last hour of the market at 3:36 p.m. on March 22nd, April 19 options, 8,000 for the 7.5 strike puts, 8.5 strike puts, 7,000. Okay. We believe that they were taking profits on this option, closing out of this, opening this trade here. And by opening this trade, $50 for each put option, 8,000 contracts. This was a $400,000 trade. Now, how do we know these were opening trades? Well, we track and monitor these unusual options. And you can see here for the April 19th, we have 8.5 strike puts, 7,000 open interest, and 7,000 volume. And for the 7.5 strike puts, we have 8,000 volume here. Okay. And you can see the open interest was just 1. Okay. So the volume being much greater than the open interest is one indication of the fact that these are opening trades. All right. And so we are following this position in the same strike, also shorting this. As you saw earlier, they were paying 50 for each of these put options. So this is what the trade looks like here. A short bearish position. We simply follow this position because this does not meet our criteria for a high probability of profit trade in comparison to the trades we share on our website. If you're interested in those, we'll put a link to our website up here. And as you can see from this trade, this is a bearish position with a negative delta. And what's interesting about this trade is that they were rolling their trades, and that this investor has actually been making quite a lot of money as the stock has been going down. Okay, because this was their latest rolling trade was on March 19, just last week. You can see here for the April 19 trades on March 19, when iRobot was trading at 8.83, 10 strike puts, 6,000 open interest, 6,000 volume. They closed out of these and they rolled to the 8.5 strike puts. You can see here the 7,000 that they were closing on March 22nd, and then rolling to the 7.5 as well. So they've been rolling their strikes down lower to take profits along the way. That is also one of the strategies that we use to manage trades, is as the stock starts to either go up or down, we want to roll our options in order to lock in profits to reduce our risk. Okay. And so based on this analysis, iRobot has a good chance that it will continue to go down. But as we mentioned, this trade does not meet our criteria for a high probability of profit trade. For one, this investor who is shorting iRobot has already made a lot of profits. So even if they are wrong, they will not be at a loss. Okay, so for them, they are already profitable and they've locked in enough profits. So this does not necessarily mean that they know that iRobot will have a very high chance that it will continue to go down, but they just want to continue to see how much they can continue to make as iRobot crashes down. Okay, so keep that in mind. If you want access to the higher probability of profit trades that the wealthy investors are in, go to our website. We'll put a link at the top here. Let us know what you think about iRobot stock. Do you think it will crash down further? And please smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and hit the bell icon if you want to be notified of future unusual option activity. Take care and have a great day.